Greetings to those who are connected with my channel, and greetings to those who are using infotaxpayer.com for years and years for their business needs. What is my today's topic about? What is the additional standard deduction? What is the additional standard deduction for married couples who have one of them over 65? I'm going to describe it shortly with the help of a case study. This is Nashiva, the CEO of infotaxpayer.com. We are a team of CPAs and EAs. I request attorneys, tax preparers, taxpayers, entrepreneurs, student economists, and the most important politicians who create laws to subscribe to my channel to create the most up-to-date and accurate tax information to enhance their knowledge. Jackson, who is 67 years old, and Ori, who is 60 years old, have become married and filed joint tax return. What is the standard deduction amount they can claim? As per the Internal Revenue Service, a person who is a single or married filing separately can claim 14,600 standard deduction. 29,200 is allowed for married filing jointly. 21,900 IRS allows for the head of household. And if a taxpayer is 65 or older, he or she can take additional standard deduction based on their filing status. They can take 1,950 for single filers and head of household. If you are filing as a single or head of household, a taxpayer can take the additional deduction in addition to the regular deduction, which are 14,600 for single and married filing separately, 29,200 for married filing jointly, and 21,900 for head of household. But if you are 65 and older, you can take an additional deduction, standard deduction, which is $1,950 for single filers and head of household, $1,550 for each qualifying spouse if married filing jointly. And if you are blind in addition to 65, then you can also claim one more additional standard deduction, which is $1,950 for single filers and head of household, and $1,550 for each qualifying spouse if married filing jointly. So Jackson, who is 67 years old, and Ori, who is 60 years old, have become married. So they are married filing. So first of all, they can take the $29,200 married filing jointly. So these are it's $29,200 is their regular standard deduction. In addition to, one of them is over 65 years old, so they can take one more additional standard deduction, which is $1,550. So in 2024, taxpayer who file jointly as husband and wife will receive standard deduction of $29,200. A married taxpayer who is 65 years old or older by the end of the current year is eligible for an additional standard deduction, which is $1,550. A person is considered to be 65 years old on the day before their 65th birthday. So Jackson and Ori will receive a standard deduction of $30,750, which is a combination of $29,200, the regular standard deduction, plus since one of them is over 65, so they can claim additional $1,550. Thus, a standard deduction $30,750 can be used by the couple to reduce their income. Thank you, and God bless you.